In this video, I'll show you how to update apps on LG Smart TV. The first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and turn on your Smart TV and click on the home button on the remote. Then click on the LG Content Store. Click on Apps and then click on My Apps. The apps on your TV should appear. Click on each one and click Update if available, or click All to see all your apps and click Update All. The process may take a while, but this is an excellent workaround if your apps didn't update automatically. Do keep in mind that LG Smart TV apps generally look after themselves. They update themselves and will automatically detect a firmware change once you update the TV itself. It's a very straightforward system that needs minimal management. There may be times when an app won't update, but all you need to do then is uninstall it and then reinstall it again. That's basically how you can update apps on LG Smart TV. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.